Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. Sometimes during a busy week, we try to work in a quick, cozy, and comforting meal whenever possible. So today we're sharing with you one of our favorites, creamy gochujang pasta. So let's get started. As always, we begin by preparing the ingredients. For this recipe, we're going to keep it simple. We'll mince some garlic and chop some chives. Isn't it ironic how the most comforting meals are also the easiest to prepare? Sometimes I don't think it's a coincidence. It may actually be a feature of comfort food. Chives have been around for thousands of years, and we read planting chives in your garden can help repel certain pests. They're perennial, so you only need to plant them once and they'll keep coming back year after year. They're resilient and low maintenance. Did you hear this one about chives? A man opened his fridge and swore he heard two onions singing a Bee Gees song. After closer inspection, he realized it was just chive talking. We'll bring half a gallon of water to boil, and salt it liberally. Then add in our pasta. Today we have these beautiful gilli pasta. Gilli in Italian means lilies. This is a fluted pasta. It really holds on to the sauce. We'll cook it to al dente. We'll also save this extra starchy water to help thicken the sauce. Actually, saving pasta water has become a bit of a habit. It really comes in handy to thicken a sauce or loosen the pasta if it starts to clump together without watering down the flavor. Some bakers use the pasta water as part of the liquid for their bread dough. The starch can help the dough rise and give the bread a nice texture. It can also be used as a base for soups for flavor and body. Alright, we'll strain the pasta and set it aside. In a wok over low-medium heat, we'll start with a tablespoon of butter, and to it add the minced garlic. Why did the garlic break up with the onion? Because there's too many tears between them. Once the garlic softens a little, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of gochujang paste. This will provide flavor and help thicken the sauce. And work it into the butter. The butter is what's going to carry the flavor, so this is a crucial step. Now we'll add a little bit of the pasta water to help thin it out, and stir it until it's smooth. While we're not sponsored, we do want to share with you this brand of gochujang that we use. This is actually vegan. They also make a gluten-free variety. We've included the links to both in the description below. Now we'll add half a tablespoon of soy sauce for a little bit of savoriness. Next we'll add a cup of cream. You can also add coconut milk to keep it vegan. We'll stir it and bring it to a boil. Gochujang is more than a condiment. It's so versatile. We love this stuff so much, we've started buying the larger container. Then we'll add half the pasta, and gently stir to coat all the pasta with the sauce. The recipe we're showing you here is for half of the cooked pasta. Go ahead and double the recipe if you're making the full packet. If you enjoy recipes like these, be sure to check out our blog at berrylife.com. And also subscribe as we upload recipes every week. Once the pasta is fully coated, we'll turn off the heat and add in a handful of grated Parmesan. The residual heat will gently melt the Parmesan without causing it to clump. Just love the way the cheese melts to thicken the sauce. That's it. Dinner is served. Let us know in the comments below if you make this recipe, or what your favorite comfort food is. We'd love to hear from you. If you found the video helpful, click the like button so YouTube can show it to others. And share it with your friends and family to spread the love. Also, be sure to subscribe for more great content as we upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. Now we'll top it off with some chopped chives, which technically counts as a serving of vegetable. And dig in. Oh man, this is so creamy and smells amazing. There you have it, creamy gochujang pasta. A delicious fusion of East and West in the comfort of your own kitchen. Do yourself a favor and make this recipe. Seriously good eats. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!